Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through one of the most effective ways to integrate Square payments with your Shopify store. If you've been wanting to offer your customers a secure and trusted payment option while streamlining your transactions, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to link Square to Shopify in just a few straightforward steps. Let's dive in together. So let's start from the top. First, you'll want to head to your Shopify admin page. This is really the command center for your store, the place where all the important decisions and changes happen. If you're ever unsure where you're starting, just make sure you're on your store's backend dashboard. All your core settings will be accessible from here. Once you're on the admin page, look toward the lower left side, and you'll see an area labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This section holds all sorts of controls for your store, everything from shipping details to notification preferences. Today, though, we're zeroing in on payments. Now, when you're inside Settings, find and select Payments. This part is crucial. It's where you determine how funds will be collected from your buyers. Getting this set up correctly doesn't just make checkout easier for the customer. It ensures your business runs smoothly and securely. Payment settings might vary a bit depending on your Shopify plan, but the steps we're covering will work for most merchants. Next, look for the button or option that says Add Payment. This is what opens up the list of payment providers and gateways you can connect to Shopify. If you've ever had to set up a new credit card or digital wallet for yourself, you know it can sometimes feel a little nerve-wracking. Just remember, adding a payment option here is about making things more accessible and secure for both you and your customers. When you're ready, in the pop-up or sidebar that appears, you'll see a search bar. Here's where you'll want to type Square. Square is trusted by millions of businesses for its user-friendly interface and reliable payment processing. It's a fantastic way to offer customers flexibility and peace of mind during checkout. After typing Square, hit Search. Shopify actually lets you search in two ways here. You can search by payment method or by provider. Try both options just to cover your bases. Occasionally, the payment provider list gets updated, so using both methods can help ensure you're seeing every available integration. But sometimes, Square won't appear in the list. If that happens, don't worry. It may simply mean that Square isn't currently available in your region based on Shopify's payment partnerships. If you're running into this, I recommend double-checking Shopify's documentation or speaking with their support team just to confirm the status for your country. It's a little hiccup, but not the end of the road. Sometimes there are workarounds or third-party apps you can look into. Now, if Square does appear as an option, that's fantastic. All that's left is to log into your Square account when prompted. This step connects your Square payment gateway directly to your Shopify store, allowing transactions to flow seamlessly. Make sure you have your Square credentials handy. If you haven't signed up for Square yet, you'll need to create an account first. And that's it. You've just linked Square to Shopify. Give yourself a moment to appreciate that you've taken a huge step toward improving your store's checkout experience and building trust with your customers. Thanks for following along. I hope this walkthrough made the process smooth and straightforward. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions or hit any snags, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Shopify tutorials. Good luck with your store, and I'll see you in the next video.